Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Store not working on Windows. First, open the Settings app on your PC. In Settings, go to Apps, then open Installed Apps. On some systems, this may appear as Apps and Features. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store. Once you find it, click the three dots next to Microsoft Store or simply click on it and then choose Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Terminate button and click it. This will completely close the Microsoft Store app in the background. After that, click Repair. Windows will now try to fix the app without removing any of your data. If the Microsoft Store still does not open or keeps crashing, stay on the same page and click Reset. This will reinstall and reset the app settings to default, which can solve most store problems. Next, go back to the main settings page and open Time and Language. Select Date and Time. Make sure both Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are turned on. Incorrect time or region settings can prevent Microsoft Store from working properly. Then, open Language and Region and check if your country or region is correct. Finally, go to Windows Update and Settings and click Check for updates. Download and install all available updates, then restart your computer. After the restart, open Microsoft Store again and check if the issue is fixed. Thanks for watching.